Welcome to Excel Wheeze. In today's video, you will learn how to create templates faster using ChatGPT. You can save hours of time by using ChatGPT to create an Excel spreadsheet with data for you. First, open ChatGPT website and click on Explore GPTs. Then type in the word Excel and select Excel Spreadsheet Maker. Now click on Start Chat. You can ask it to create any type of spreadsheet for you. For example, I will ask it to create a spreadsheet containing all USA states, their abbreviations, capital cities, and estimated populations. Click Allow to allow the tool to communicate with the external website where it will send the data. Once it generates the file, you will get a link to access it from their own website since ChatGPT doesn't produce Excel files yet. Wait for some few seconds for the data to load. As you can see, we now have a spreadsheet containing all the data we requested. You need to sign up in order to download the file. Let's try another prompt. As you can see, ChatGPT is searching the internet for the latest data. Click Allow to allow ChatGPT to send the data to an external website. Then, click on the link to get the Excel file. Let's verify some data and see if it's accurate. As you can see, the data is accurate since the model uses GPT-4, which has access to the internet. On Google, Walmart revenue is $611 billion, which is same as our spreadsheet. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.